Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to our channel. This is Jyoti Srinivas, the best motivational speaker. You please subscribe my channel to get more information at the end of my video. So please watch my video. Commandments. Many great people dazzle and shook the world with their dynamism, enthusiasm, inspiration, and perseverance. They sharpen their brain and unravel the mysteries of success. They become role model for others. They motivated, they trained, they produced hundreds, thousands, even lakhs of intellectuals. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar the Great, the best brain in the world, the most respected of our founding father, architect of free India's constitution. Abraham Lincoln, who was born in a poor family and rose to the position of the President of the United States of America. Abdul Kalam, who was born as a fisherman's son and became the President of India. Edison, who invented 1300 things in spite of obstacles. Da Vinci, who gained expertise in 10 different arts. Winston Churchill, who won over stammering and became an eloquent speaker. These are the greatest persons. These are the greatest personalities in the world. They become role model for others. Commandments. There are 12 commandments. The first one is, your existence is your ability. You should learn or know your subject, field or profession much better than others. This is your primary responsibility for your existence. This is must for your existence. You should acquire at least one skill much better than others, even if you are an illiterate. Number 2, your value is your performance. When you perform in your subject, field or profession much better than others, then your existence is valued and respected. Every deprived will have a fire. Every person will have a fire. Every person will have innate powers. You should bring out that fire. You should bring out that innate powers to do anything much better than others. Fire, kasi, fire and innate powers. You please bring out that fire and you should bring out that innate powers. I too have a fire. So my strong desire is to become the best motivational speaker throughout India. That is my fire. It's my strong desire. It's my passion. I want to become. I want to become a role model for others. I want to become the greatest personalities in India. I want to become the best motivational speaker in India. That is my fire. That is my burning desire. Yes, that's why I am drawing my fire. I am drawing my all innate powers. Why can't you? Why don't you draw out your fire and draw out your innate powers to do much better than others? Third one, your character is your trustworthiness. You need to be reliable and dependable and trustworthy so that everyone can invest everything in you. They can invest their money. They can invest their goodness. They can invest their influence. Everything they invest in you. It means you should be free from cheating. You should be free from stealing. And you should be free from exploitation. Then only everybody can spend, can invest everything in you. That means you need to have nature of accountability. You need to have payback attitude, gratitude, which complements the loyalty. Loyalty is the best asset to get everything in the world. Loyalty, videyata. Fourth one, duty-based attitude. Thinking in terms of your role, thinking in terms of your task, thinking in terms of your duty, and thinking in terms of your obligation that you're expected to do, have to be your basic approach to do anything, to achieve everything. It is proven fact that the person who focuses on their responsible role for everything are the most successful person in everything. The person who focus on their responsible role for everything are the most successful person in private life, in public life, and in professional life, and are the most happiest people in the world, and are the happiest people in the world. Happiest people in the world. 3 levels of development. Devils, who thinks always rights without bothering responsibilities. Devils means these persons always think about their rights. They never think about their responsibilities. Means they always expect without giving. They always expecting without giving. These are highly selfish people. Second one is human beings, who balance rights and responsibilities. These are cultured people. Third one, God, who always think about responsibilities and never thinks about their rights. These people, they always think about their responsibility. Thinks about their responsibility. They never think about their rights. So they are giving without expecting. They always give. They're giving without expecting. These are gentlemen. Gods means gentleman. Here you are reaching God's means becoming more responsible person. God means responsible person. God means giving without expecting. He always gives. He always gives. That means. So if you want to reach, if you want to become as a God, please achieve an extraordinary success. You achieve an extraordinary success so that you yourself can become a role model for others. I hope you'll become a role model for others. You will also become the greatest person in the world. Thank you.